Chapter 5: The Culture of Pakistan. Pakistani culture is very diverse thanks to its historical, geographical, and ethnic diversity. Pakistan's culture is a melting pot of Indian, Persian, Afghan, Central Asian, South Asian, and Western Asian influence. There are over 15 major ethnic groups in Pakistan, which differ in physical features, historical bloodlines, customs, dress, food, and music. Some of these include Punjabis, Sindhis, Baloch, Pashtuns, Kashmiris, Hazaras, Makranis, and Baltis, coming from regions as close to home as the Indus Valley or as far as Africa or Tibet. Other than ancient ethnic elements, the religious influence of Islam has also strongly shaped Pakistani culture since it first came to the region in 700 AD. The official number of languages actively spoken in Pakistan is between 73 and 76. This means that within hours, as you travel between the country's districts, there are languages that other groups in different regions do not speak. The most popular languages, however, belong to the largest ethnic groups with their own modern and ancient literature. Most languages in Pakistan belong to the Indo-Iranian language group, including Urdu, the national language. Pakistani truck art is not only world-famous example of craftsmanship passed down through generations. Pakistani craft include a plethora of style, materials, and aesthetic. Calligraphy in Arabic is one of the most prominent skills found in many local buildings and site and wall hanging, like copperwork, painting, and carved wood. Pottery, especially Billu pottery, typical of Sindh and Multan, is loved all over the world for its look. Nakashi, or the art making of camel skin lamps, is another example of local craft, along with colorful tile work, which is a Mughal legacy. Archaeologists excavated numerous ancient cities, among them Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, and Kotiji, which have a uniform, appropriate structure with board roads as well thought-out sanitary and drainage facilities. The majority of the discovered brick construction are public buildings such as bathhouses and workshops. Wood and loam served as construction material. Large-scale temples such as those found in other ancient cities are missing. With the collapse of the Indus Valley civilization, the architecture also suffered considerable damage. View of Mohenjo-daro toward the Great Bath. Cities like Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, the city of the dead, had population of some 15,000. They were laid out according to grid system. Inhabitants lived in windowless, packed brick houses built around a central courtyard. Pools for rituals, bathing, granaries for the storage of food, and a complex system of covered drains and sewers. The latter revealed the engineering skills of the Romans some 2000 years later. The arrival of Islam in today's Pakistan, first in Sindh during the 18th century, as he meant a sudden end of Buddhist architecture. The way early mosques were built with decoration oriented them strongly to the Arab style. The earliest example of a mosque from the days of the infancy of Islam in South Asia is the Mirabul Mosque of Bambur, from the year 727, the first Muslim place in South Asia. Badshahi Mosque, built 1673 to 1674. Also, the Shah Jahan Mosque of Thatta in Sindh originates from the epoch of the Mughals.